Welcome to the channel. Today we're reviewing the 5 best 1/2 impact drills, 2026, chosen for their torque, durability, and versatility. A 1/2-inch impact drill is essential for mechanics, contractors, and DIY enthusiasts who need reliable power for bolts, nuts, and heavy-duty fastening. These machines feature brushless motors, variable speeds, and high-capacity batteries to ensure consistent performance. With trusted names like Bosch, DI Tulifs, CZI, and Trant, this lineup covers everything from automotive repair to construction projects. Let's explore the top 5 impact drills that combine efficiency, strength, and professional quality. Check the description for the latest prices and details. Be sure to subscribe and turn on notifications. Let's get started. Number 1. Bosch 18V Brushless Hammer Drill/Driver. The Bosch GSB 18V 490B12 is a professional-grade hammer drill/driver kit featuring a 1/2-inch chuck and brushless motor for maximum efficiency. Delivering reliable torque and extended runtime, it's ideal for drilling into wood, metal, and masonry. Compact yet powerful, it balances portability with performance, making it suitable for contractors and DIY projects. The kit includes one 2Ah battery, charger, and carrying case, ensuring convenience right out of the box. Bosch's EC brushless technology enhances durability and reduces maintenance, while variable speed settings provide precision for different applications. With its ergonomic design and lightweight build, this drill minimizes fatigue during extended use. Bosch delivers a strong option for professionals seeking a versatile impact drill that combines advanced engineering, reliability, and consistent performance for demanding tasks. Number 2. Cordless Impact Wrench 1200N.M. The Cordless Impact Wrench (RED) is a high-torque option designed for automotive and heavy-duty applications. Delivering up to 1200N.M, 900 ft/lbs, of torque and 3,000 revolutions per minute, it's powerful enough to handle truck, RV, and mower maintenance. Compact yet robust, it balances strength with usability, featuring variable speed control for precision. The package includes two 4.0Ah batteries and a fast charger, ensuring long runtime and quick recharging. Brushless motor technology enhances efficiency and durability, while the ergonomic grip provides comfort during extended use. This impact drill is ideal for mechanics and DIY enthusiasts who need reliable torque for stubborn bolts and nuts. With its combination of power, portability, and advanced features, this cordless impact wrench delivers consistent performance for demanding automotive and construction projects. Number 3. DI Tulifs Cordless Impact Wrench. The DI Tulifs Cordless Impact Wrench is a heavy-duty option compatible with Milwaukee 18V batteries. Delivering an impressive 1,700 ft/lbs of torque, it's designed for professional mechanics and contractors tackling tough fastening jobs. Compact yet powerful, it balances strength with versatility, offering 4 operating modes for different applications. LED lighting enhances visibility in dark workspaces, while the brushless motor ensures efficiency and long service life. As a bare tool, it provides flexibility for users who already own compatible batteries. DI Tulifs delivers a strong option for professionals seeking an impact drill that combines extreme torque, compatibility, and advanced features. This model is ideal for automotive repair, construction, and industrial projects where maximum power and reliability are essential. Number 4. CZI Impact Wrench. The CZI Impact Wrench is a versatile option, rated highly by users for its balance of power and convenience. Delivering up to 886 ft/lbs, 1200N.M, of torque, it's suitable for automotive, home, and truck maintenance. Compact yet powerful, it features a 21V brushless motor with 2,900 IPM for efficient fastening. The package includes two 4.0Ah batteries, charger, and 5 sockets, making it ready for immediate use. Ergonomic design ensures comfort, while variable speed control provides precision for different tasks. CZI delivers a practical solution for users seeking a cordless impact drill that combines affordability, durability, and reliable performance. This model is ideal for mechanics, DIY enthusiasts, and homeowners who need a dependable tool for everyday heavy-duty projects. Number 5. Brushless Cordless Impact Drill. The Brushless Cordless Impact Drill, Makita compatible, is a compact option designed for versatility. Delivering 1,300 lbs, 150N.M, of torque, It's suitable for drilling and fastening tasks in wood, metal, and light construction. Compatible with Makita 18V batteries, it offers flexibility for users who already own compatible tools. Featuring a 1/2-inch hammer drill design, it includes 2 speed settings and 21 torque adjustments for precision. Compact yet reliable, it balances affordability with performance, making it ideal for DIY projects and small business use. Brushless motor technology ensures efficiency and long service life, while ergonomic design reduces fatigue. This drill is a practical solution for users seeking a lightweight, versatile impact drill that combines compatibility, durability, and consistent results for everyday tasks. That wraps up our list of the 5 best 1/2 impact drills, 2026. From Bosch's professional hammer drill to Ditulif's extreme torque wrench, each option offers unique strengths for mechanics, contractors, and DIY enthusiasts. CZI provides a balanced solution with sockets and batteries included, while Makita-compatible models deliver flexibility for existing tool owners. Whether you prioritize maximum torque, compatibility, or everyday usability, this lineup ensures reliable performance for automotive repair, construction, and home projects. Small businesses and professionals thrive on efficiency, and these impact drills deliver both. Each model is designed to enhance productivity while maintaining durability, making them perfect for demanding tasks. Check the description for the latest prices and details. Be sure to subscribe and turn on notifications so you never miss our next video. Thanks for watching, and keep your projects powered with the right 1/2 impact drill.
I hope this video helped you. If you found this review useful, please give it a thumbs up and share this video. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon so you won't miss any of our future reviews. And as always, if you have any questions or recommendations, feel free to leave them in the comments below. I love hearing from you. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Stay safe and breathe easy.